So friends, the elite bank wealth stock buys are up. Now remember, these are the ones where what I do is I take the buy recommendations over the last week or so from the major banks, Morgan Stanley Wealth Management, UBS, Barclays, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and the like. So my data team takes this data, the graphics team then puts it together to see which ones fit my special situation criteria, which is most importantly value growth, income is 7, 8, 9, or 10. And then we look at the MACD. That data is now up on the private Telegram channel and the education material on the Great Investments Program. If you don't know the URL, alpeshpatel.com/shares. And if you're not on the Great Investments Program, then alpeshpatel.com/links. We've got some exciting ones this week from the major banks. This is what they're telling their wealth managers, and we've done some projections as well for some of these. Doesn't mean they're going to hit these projections, but it gives us a big margin of error because we want that upside to be at least double that downside. So we're aligned for a lot of protection there. And you can see how the projections have been done. Oops, as well, my wonky fingers. And we want a lot of upside to downside protection because some of the momentum is somewhat overbought. 7, that means on the value growth income, it's a 7. And again, we're looking at this week, what we've done is try to find ones with at least 100% to the upside over 12 months. There have been some with just 70, and that's fine, and that's how we've gone through it. So, hope you like that. alpeshpatel.com/shares. If you're on the Great Investments Program, then just use your normal login and you will see the video to access all of that and our assessment based on it. Remember, we take the data and then the graphics guys put it together, and then we assess it ourselves to see which ones meet enough of our criteria. Thank you very much.